Hello everyone, and welcome in Plus Your SOFTECH Business. We provide Alfresco training, consulting, and maintenance of the Alfresco ECM. In this tutorial, today I will share with you the lesson number 4 of our second model in Alfresco End User section. This lesson will cover some topics. The first topic will be about Alfresco site features. A second topic will be about customizing sites and a demo. Alfresco site features. There are lots of Alfresco features that can be included in a site. You can add features to your site such as wikis, links, blogs, calendar, data lists, discussions. By default, you have site dashboard, document library, and site members at the top of your site dashboard. You can add additional features as needed for a site. What is the wiki? The wiki lets the site users create wiki pages. Links. The links components let site members compile a list of web links that are related to the site or that might be of interest to the site users. Blogs. The site blog lets you add commentary, descriptions of events, and other material related to your site. Calendar. The site calendar lets you schedule and track events related to the current site. These events also display in the site calendar dashboard. Data lists. The data list component lets the site members create and manage a list of data relevant to the site. And discussions. The discussion forum lets you post user-generated content related to a site. These topics often take the form of questions or comments with threaded discussions. Now let's see how to customize the sites. We will see the steps to customize your site using that features. First, you need to go to the site that you want to customize. Then click on this icon. Then click on Customize a Site. Drag and drop the features icon down into the current site page area. Click OK. Now let's move to demo. Here we are in our dashboard. We need, as I said, to choose the site that we want to customize. For example, I want to customize this site's new Alfresco training, so I will click on it. I am in this site. I can see here in the top right of my site these components or these features those features will display automatically when I create in a site. So there are site dashboard, document library, and site members. A document library displayed by default as well. So to customize this site, I will click on this icon. Then I will click on Customize Site. Here we can see the features. Document library, like I said, is default features. For adding more features, we need to choose one of those features. Calendar, wiki, discussions, blog, links, data lists. Me, for example, I want to add a data list. I drag and drop my list or my feature here in current site pages. For example, I want to add another one as well. I choose links. After, we need to click on OK. As we can see, our feature data list is here, is displayed in our top bar of our sites. Links is displayed too. So now let's customize our features. Data lists. I click on a data list. A data list feature is very useful for working. By data list, we can manage our data. I already create a list called Alfresco End User Training. Let's create a new list. When I click in New List, I can see a page is asking me to choose which kind of list I want. I need to tell you something before starting. As you can see, some pages of my Alfresco is displaying in French language, okay? So there is no problem for me or for you. Just don't worry. I will translate to you the words which are in French. I will translate to you in English, okay? So just follow me and everything will be fine. So here, for example, there are lists for addresses, storing the addresses or managing your addresses, a list for managing your events, list for managing your contacts, your publishing, and your task with advanced option and a task with simple option. For example, me, I want to manage my task using a list of tasks, a simple option. I click on simple option task. So here I need to give a title. So I give a title, for example, Alfresco and user training model 2, number 2. Description: this data list will manage my Alfresco training. Okay, this is just an example. I click on save. While clicking on save, I need to click here on my lists that I create. You see, now I can see the table of my data lists. I need to fill these columns. The first column is asking for title, to give a title to your data list. description, a date of ending your work, priority, the type of the priority of your work, a statue, a commentary, and actions. So I click on New Item to fill my columns. A title, for example, training. Description. This is a description of my training. A date that I want to end my work, for example, 18 August. Priority, I don't want it normal. I want it to be higher. Statue, my work is starting. I click on Save. You see, so the data that I enter is stored here in each column. Okay, just this column commentary, I didn't want to fill it. Okay, if you want to fill it, so no problem. Actions, here it's for editing your data. If you want to click here, here it's for deleting your data, so it's clear. So we customize our sites, and after that we customize our data list feature. Now let's move to customize our link feature. Okay, we need to click here on links feature. I already click or create this link for my company. So I will delete it and I will create it again for you. By this way, you will follow me and you will understand how to customize links feature. So I click here a new link. A title. I need to give title to my link. My company link. URL. The URL of my company plus your SOFTECH.com. I can give description to my link. So this is, for example, this is the URL of my company. And after that, I click on Save. So as we can see now, all the informations about my link is displayed here. Okay, just I click again on link. I'm sorry. Just I need to display here or click here on link again. I clicked here on link again for adding more links if anyone need or want to add another links too. So we finished our tutorial today. So thank you for watching. And for further lesson, please visit plus.softtech.com. The URL is given below.